I'd like to share a concept with you from the perspective of a teacher, and I hope you'll take it to heart and think about it next time you're anxious to pass off your next song and to move on to the next song in your book or to the next level. When we learn a song, we learn the notes, we learn the rhythms, we learn the bowings, and we hope to play in tune. But that's only phase one of learning a song. If you continue to study that song, that's when we start learning how to play violin. Up to that point, you've only learned how to play the song. But there's gold in them there hills. There's so much value to polishing that song and digging deeper into the violin aspect of that piece that you've just studied. So maybe don't be in a hurry to move on too quickly, and ask yourself, after you've learned the notes and the rhythms and the bowings, now what violinistic value can I get out of this song? What can I do with my tone production? What can I do with the motion? How's my sounding point? How's my bow technique? And what's unique about this song? What techniques is this song teaching me? Is it a détaché or a spiccato? Or is it full of shifts that I need to drill down on and work on? So maybe keep that concept in mind, that after the notes and the rhythm and the bowings, then we start learning how to play violin. All right, so that's just a little food for thought from me to you, from a teacher's perspective. Thanks for watching. See you next time.